You got soul. You got soul.
We should probably just take the front seats out because it'll be a lot easier to access the back.
All of them?
I mean, all of them. All two of them. Little low to the ground. Sorry about that. But you can even adjust the pitch of the back if you want to lay down. You know.
How far does it go back?
It's pretty nice.
Jeez, it goes really far.
There you go, Chris. Lounge chair. You can get your tan going. That looks weird.
Hardly working hard.
Okay, so we just gotta remember that these are here. There's a little, the ashtray or whatever this is supposed to be. It's got coins in it, right here. Paper clips too. Oh, cool. We got oil. We got 2 quarts of oil. We got a free breaker bar with a free socket for the wheels.
If we can take these off, we can take the dial out.
What
Do you
is
think?
that?
Will that work?
What is that?
Is it rusted?
I don't know what this is though. Look at that. It's rusted as heck. Yeah. It's been in there for a while. Whoa.
We found diamonds in our car.
Diamonds. Wonder what that is. Ooh.
Can we open it back?
Lug nuts.
5
of them.
Priority mail, let me...
5 lug nuts? What do you need 5 lug nuts for? Ugh, that's awful. God. Here's Matthew's acting clothes.
You take it home from the homies at committee.
We're gonna have to, Nate, some of this wiring back here, we might have to coat it in resin or something, or at least tape it up, just because it's so exposed. Got a beer bottle cap.
Oh, I thought you found like...
We
we found money already.
There's probably a couple bucks worth of coins in here.
There you go.
Making money back already.
That's not... That has 1 bolt in it.
All I know is it's yellow color.
So much room back here. Dude, you can...
Of course you can. I can't pull the release and do that at the same time. Chris, you can do it.
Do what?
Was that sarcastic?
That's our thumbnail.
Wait, can we take a photo?
This is really difficult.
Get up here.
Look at all the room back here. We got a lot of room today. Want to come drive with us, Dad?
No 10 mil socket. You have 2 11s and no 10s. I can't get this.
Too funny.
More padding. We're not keeping that though.
Alright, fellers, we got some oil. We got some radiators. Here's the car. Going pretty good. Here's the seat. I want to see right now. There's some stuff back there. Car's going good. Update number 2. Here's something else.
Get your footrest.
Oh, that's
That's my footrest.
You gotta put it in the cup. You
It's
gotta,
got some really
Nice.
sticky
It's
stuff
pretty
on it.
tight. Fellas, we're gonna see how much money we can collect from in this side of this
Some
car.
hair ties or some paper clips?
Heck yeah.
put your hair up. Fix your hair up, yeah.
Thanks, bro.
They're colorful.
Okay, let's see how much change we
Alright, well,
have.
so this thing is one.
Alright. Alright, so our profit is $3.92. Pretty good.
Being their grandma or something.
Hey, fellas,
She's
we're
like,
back
"Help
in the
me."
car. It's going pretty good. Got great viewing angles from this point. It's the brake, it's the gas. Let's go for a ride, shall we?
Oh no, it's the, what is this?
Heck
Fuel
yeah.
pump.
Oof, that big stick.
Fuel pump?
That's the fuel pump. I'm not touching that.
Touching that.
Whoa.
Fix the handle.
You
Still got full battery. My watch.
This car's becoming a ute.
a ute.
A ute.
Still don't know what a ute is, but yeah.
Australian El Camino. But not really.
Alright guys, you're gonna see a picture of a ute right on Geoffrey's face. That's the picture of a ute. That's what a ute is.
I'm gonna flash a couple of them so you get the idea.
You get some. That's what we're making this thing into.
It's gonna be a highly
The
edited
whole
video.
thing is gonna be changed.
All this. That's coming out.
Solid American steel.
This coming out. This coming out.
That's coming out. This
coming out.
baby's
This
coming out.
Except for right here, we're cutting it right
We're
now.
not. Yeah, we're keeping that.
But most of this is coming
Yeah,
out.
it's coming out.
And then this coming out.
That's coming out. Look at all this stuff we got out. We got that out. We got these out.
How much money did we have?
We made $3.92.
$3.92. We might go buy some. Let's go get some smoothies with that.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, let's go get some. All right.
Look, that's me. That's me. We're going to DMV. We're gonna get some emissions done, and we'll see you back in episode 2. Right after we get these seats in. Heck yeah. Alright, this is the last you see this car until about a week. Taking it to the DMV. Listen to it go. That's 40 horsepower right there. There it goes.
Love you guys. Please subscribe and hit that like button.
Judas, 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 Gaga.
Cutting this big thing out.